Might as well step on it.
Fix up that concrete and re-edge it because it is a little low here anyway. See, that's lower than that.
Yeah.
There's extra concrete here. Get that all perfectly flush. I'll be right back. Just hit the edge, just that little edge, and you don't have to tap it way out. I mean, you could put it out there, whatever, but you should get some plastic out and ready because it's already starting to wrinkle. I don't want them to get wet at all because it affects the color a lot. I'm glad I stopped when I did though. Didn't get no more color.